Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making some Ombre holographic resin earrings, and I'm going to be using these two powders from Island Micas and More. They're called Vivid Hollow powders. This one's periwinkle, and I'm also going to be using teal. And so what I'm going to do, they actually come with this applicator brush as well. So I'm just dipping that into the powder, tapping off the excess, and I'm going to brush that into the top half of my mold here. And I got these molds off Amazon. They do come in a pack of 3. So it comes with these 2 shapes and then another round shape. So if you're going to want to make pairs of earrings, you're going to want to buy 2 sets of the molds, or you can just pour 2 days back to back. But what I ended up doing was just purchasing 2 sets of the molds basically, so I could pour a set of earrings in one pour session. So to do the ombre look, I'm just going in on the top half with that hollow powder, really brushing it in there, making sure that the mold is nice and covered. This technique is so easy. And then after I get the top half completely covered with the periwinkle, I'm going to go in on the bottom half and add the teal. So I have the periwinkle all down. Now I'm going to go in with the teal, and what I'm doing is just brushing it on the bottom half of the mold and then slightly up onto the periwinkle portion as well. And that's going to give you the ombre effect. So just brush it right in the bottom and then bring it up slightly into the periwinkle section. Super simple and easy, and when we demold these, you'll be able to really see that beautiful ombre effect on these. And I'm going to be turning these into earrings, but you could also turn them into necklaces or pendants as well. So here's my resin. These molds don't take much resin at all. I'm using the GenCrafts Epoxy resin. I like to use it for projects like this because it's a thicker viscosity and it has not as many bubbles, which is nice. And I like to pour just about 1 ounce in a paper cup and then pinch the side of the cup, and I can get a little spout and just really get a nice controlled pour. Try not to overfill these. If you do overfill them, it's no big deal, but just go slow and take your time and try to make sure you fill them up just right to the top of the mold there. And that's it. I'm going to cover them up, let them dry for 24 hours, and here we are ready to demold them. You can see that beautiful hollow powder. These are so easy to make, and I've made quite a few other sets on my channel before or previously, so if you haven't seen those videos, please go check them out. I'll link them down below in the description box, and I'll also leave them at the end card screen, so you can just click the picture and it'll take you straight to the video. So once you get the hardware installed on this set of earrings, they're about 3 inches long, and then this set, yeah, this is the larger set. It's about 3 inches from the top of the earring to the bottom. And then the smaller set is about 2.5 inches from the top of the earring to the bottom. So these are a little bit bigger dangly earrings, but they're super pretty. So what I do is just take a drill. I use a little kind of knockoff Dremel from Harbor Freight, and I just drill a hole straight through the earring right at the top. Super easy to do. You could use a Dremel as well. And then once I have my holes drilled in, I go in and install my hardware. You can get all the hardware off Amazon. I'll link everything down below. So you're going to need a large jump ring, a small jump ring, and some earring hooks. So I have these 2 here, and what I do is just attach a large jump ring to the earring and then a small jump ring and attach the hook to that. And then I attach them to these earring backer cards that I got off Amazon as well. And I also had a fun little stamp made that says "Handmade with Love by Tish." And that's pretty much it. Super simple and easy project. They turn out so pretty and they have such a gorgeous holographic effect. And I also made this resin sunflower on my channel previously, so if you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. I show you step by step how I made this resin sunflower. I have quite a few other sunflower videos as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. And as always, I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. So if you guys want to get any of these products to try, it'll give you a little bit of extra savings. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye, guys.